I am joined by Barkha Singh. And Barkha, welcome to the show. I would say congratulations first of all for the award. And since you come from film industry, and now you run a channel called Travel with B, if I'm not wrong. So what was that moment that motivated you to start that channel, and now you are into traveling? So what made you do so?
Good evening. Firstly, thank you. Um, Obviously, very happy and excited. Travel with B is a hashtag I started. My YouTube channel is called Travel with B is a hashtag I started. My YouTube channel is called Barkha Singh. Very creative. But to answer your question, what actually made me start traveling is when I was about 16 or 17 years old. मैं एक internship करने गई थी to New York where I had gone absolutely alone for about 2 months. 2 ढाई महीने की internship थी and obviously because it was summers तो उनका 4.5 days का week होता है. Friday half day होता है and then half of Friday, Saturday and Sunday was छुट्टी. And I used to use that long weekend to travel आसपास, just explore on my own. And that was the first time I did kind of a solo travel आप कह लो. And I really enjoyed it because बहुत सारे obviously challenges आते हैं when you're traveling. And I felt that you can be self-reliant because you only have yourself to solve those challenges at that time. तो जब मैं वापस इंडिया आई थी आई रियलाइज दैट I was able to handle everything all on my own. So it was just a very empowering sense of independence and also faith in oneself. And uske baad I realized that this is definitely not the last time I'm traveling again. And wahan se shuru hui journey.
So since you mentioned about challenge, so that brings me to my next question. From being on film set, now you are traveling, producing, writing your own content. How's that different, and how was your experience?
It's like ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है बस इतना डिफरेंस है जितना एप्पल्स और ऑरेंजेस में डिफरेंस होता है आई थिंक दे आर वेरी डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड्स दोनों का अपना अपना चार्म है if I had to pick one, I think it's impossible because literally they're both parts of my heart. Because they're literally both parts of my heart. I think जब आप like when I'm creating my own content or when I'm producing my own travel videos etc. Obviously एक freedom रहती है, creative freedom रहती है, but with freedom also comes a lot of responsibility because फिर आप spot boy भी हो, आप lighting दादा भी हो, आप setting दादा भी हो, आप art director भी हो, आप director producer सब हो. When it's your own production. But when I'm filming, जैसे मैं कोई web series या film कर रही होती, that time I'm just going there as an actor. उसके अलग challenges होते हैं to prepare as an actor or to make sure you're in character and all of that. So they always two very different worlds. And I feel very lucky and very grateful to be able to witness the best of both.
And since you are into travel storytelling, do you think travel storytelling gives you some kind of freedom or creative freedom which acting doesn't in film industry?
Yeah, most certainly. Because when you're acting, again, आप किसी और की script follow कर रहे हो, आप किसी और का लिखा हुआ character follow कर रहे हो, which is interesting in its own way. But when I'm creating these experiential travel videos, at that time तो मेरा experience है ना, तो मुझे मैं कभी कभी ज़्यादा plan भी नहीं करती हूँ पहले. I land up at the place, I'll sit for 1 hour in the cafe. लोगों से बात करती हूँ, locals से बात करती हूँ. That's the best way, according to me, to discover a new place. So I just speak to a lot of locals. I look around. I see what's the most happening spot here. And I just, जो भी मुझे interesting लगता है, I just document it. And that's what people see. So mostly it's just them looking at destinations जिस वे में मैंने उस destination को enjoy किया है. That's what I try to show them in the most organic, natural way possible. क्योंकि information I feel उनको like you'll find information online कि what modes of transport you need to get here. Basic information I share about that, but main information रहती है about the experiences जो आपको कोई site नहीं बता पाएगी उतना.
So what travel actually mean to you? Is it adventure, self-care, or learning?
For me, travel is actually self-discovery. Because आप ना सिर्फ new places, new cultures, new people को discover करते हैं, but somehow I feel you also discover yourself.
So just tell me something. How Barkha as a traveler and Barkha as an actor are two different poles, or are they same?
I think they're same. They need to be fed every 3-4 hours. No, I think Barkha as a traveler, Barkha as an actor are quite similar. They're always looking for new experiences. They're always looking at new ways to talk to new people. They're always looking at any masti to do, and they're always looking for food.
And since while you're traveling and you travel the luxury also, and in fact I think if I'm not wrong you do the local travel also, correct? So personally, which one is your favorite?
Luxury. Because I feel those are also very different experiences. And while local travel में अलग मज़ा होता है, because you also get to see a lot of like you get to see an underbelly of the city जब आप local travel करते हैं, hostels में रहते हैं. But अगर आपको रंगीन हसीन दुनिया देखनी है, so sometimes I really quite enjoy luxury travel.
And if given an opportunity, if I tell you to merge, Barkha as an actor and Barkha as a traveler, would it be a web series or a film, and why?
I think it will most certainly be a film, something like Zindagi Na Mile Dobara, jahan this is the first time he smiled in the interview. नहीं, but I think it will be a film because I feel cinema का अपना एक magic होता है. Over the years as a medium, it's been really captivating audiences, and so has travel. So I think अगर दोनों को आप combine कर दें और अगर उसको दिखा सकें the beauty, because sometimes I feel web series में कभी-कभी अगर एपिसोड खत्म हो जाता है तो लोग उठ के चले जाते हैं या 3 घंटे बाद देख लेंगे या नेक्स्ट डे देख लेंगे, बट फिल्म इज जनरली वॉच्ड इन वन स्ट्रेच. एंड बिकॉज आई रियली लाइक टू शो एक्सपीरियंसेस थ्रू माई ट्रैवल्स, आई वुड लाइक फॉर द ऑडियंस टू see it from the beginning to the end in one sitting. So I think a film like Zindagi Na Mile Dobara तो मज़ा आ जाएगा.
My favorite Dil Chahta Hai, though.
Yes, दिल धड़कने दो.
Correct. And Dear Zindagi. True. So thank you, Barkha. Once again, congratulations. So that's Barkha. And stay tuned for next guest.